The Triad Extreme comes fully assembled and ready to weld stationary or traveling on a tabletop track. The Triad Extreme was packaged to meet a variety of industrial fabric needs. This portable welding unit is used in many different industries across the board, whether it's with tents, awnings, pool covers, roller doors, truck tarps, containment booms, and many more. With the Triad Extreme, you're going to be able to perform hems, hem and ropes, pockets, overlap seams, and rafter straps for acrylics. The Triad Extreme was specifically designed to fit in any size shop, whether it's large or small. It's a great portable welding unit that when you're done with your job, you can take the unit, set it to the side, and continue using your workspace as you normally would. We look forward to answering any other questions that you may have. Call us at any time. Thank you for your time, and keep in mind that this unit starts out at roughly $300 a month.